Definitely get that throwback feeling of the old Polynesian lifestyle where you got this communal area. It's reminiscent of the old tribal days, if you will.
Absolutely. It feels tribal.
Yeah.
You wouldn't know whether you're in the 20th century or the 18th century. It's built completely luxuriously, but with natural woods. The thought that went into it really manifests the vision of François and the people that he hired. There's no walls, it's all floor to ceiling open, and you get a breeze from length to width. There's no reason for air conditioning or anything like that. There's always this incredible breeze, and it's so comfortable. It's such a great place to hang out. All of the furniture even was designed by the famed Parisian interior designer and architect, Christian Liaigre, and it just fits seamlessly.
It does, yeah. It feels like it belongs in this environment.
Yes. He wanted the colors muted in all of the structures because there's so much color outside. Notice that every piece of furniture is a little bit different. There's so many different comfortable areas to relax, to read, to interact. And you have these high ceilings, all made with natural woods. It's really just an unbelievably comfortable place to relax, and with the ultimate indoor-outdoor living.
Oh, this is the ultimate. It has a resort feel, but like better than a resort. It's your own private oasis.
Exactly.